guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can add nicknames to your friends in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to add nicknames in friends but you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it without any delays. So in order to give nicknames, you need to make sure one setting is turned on, because if you don't have that turned on, then you cannot add it. So let's just go ahead and open settings first. So you can either choose command or comma. If you have Mac, directly open it. If not, just look at the top and find Steam and tap on preferences. So preferences is the same as settings, so make sure you're not confused with that. And after that, you just need to go ahead and find friends in chat. So it should be right between account and family. And after you're there, just look at the top where you can see append nicknames to friends. So if you turn this button on, you can successfully add nicknames to your friends. So just go ahead and find your friend that you want to give nickname to, and in this way you can successfully add nicknames to friends' name. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.